Understanding the Online Syllabus, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant topic in our digital era, the online syllabus. Whether you're a student, educator, or just curious, understanding this term is key in the world of online education. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. First, let's understand what a syllabus is. A syllabus is essentially a guide or roadmap provided at the beginning of a course. It outlines what will be taught, how it will be taught, and what is expected from students. Think of it as a contract or plan between the teacher and the students, clarifying the course structure, topics, readings, assignments, exams, and grading policies. Now, let's add the online aspect to it. An online syllabus is a digital version of this traditional course guide. It's accessible on the internet, usually through a course website or learning management system like Moodle or Blackboard. The beauty of an online syllabus is its accessibility and flexibility. Students can access it anytime and anywhere, which is particularly useful for remote or online learning environments. An online syllabus is not just a digital copy of a paper syllabus. It often includes interactive elements like hyperlinks to readings and resources, multimedia content such as videos or podcasts, interactive calendars for deadlines, discussion forums for student interaction, updates or modifications in real time. Understanding and utilizing the online syllabus is crucial for success in an online course. It helps students stay organized with their coursework, understand expectations and requirements, access resources efficiently, plan their study schedule effectively, engage with the course material and peers. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what an online syllabus is and why it's an integral part of modern education. Remember, a syllabus, whether online or on paper, is your roadmap to success in any course. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in our next video.